Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss about the most important MCQ and PYQ for the nursing exam, mainly for the nurses. First question, what is the minimum age for the organ donation consent in India? Option A 12 years, option B 18 years, option C 21 years, option D 25 years. The answer is option B. According to the Transplantation of Human Organ Act THOA, according to Transplantation of Human Organ Act, the person can donate the organ in 18 years. So the answer is option B. Next, which organ can be donated only after the death? Option A kidney, option B liver, option C heart, option D skin. The answer is option C heart. The heart can only be harvested after brain death, not from a living donor. This question is a PYQ. Next, the legal document signed to express consent for organ donation is called as option A donor registry, option B consent form, option C pledge form, option D organ will. The answer is option C pledge form. A pledge form is a document filled by an individual pledging to donate their organ after the death. Next, which of the following organs can be donated while alive? Option A liver in some liver part, option B pancreas, option C heart, option D eyes. The answer is option A liver, or liver, some part of the liver. Donor can donate a part of the liver due to its regenerative capacity. If you cut the liver some portion, the liver will automatically generated. So the answer is option A. Next, in India, organ donation after death requires confirmation of brain death, option B coma, option C cardiac arrest, option D cerebral palsy. The answer is option A brain death, because organs are the retrieved after brain death is certified by the medical board. So the answer is option A. Next, which act governs organ donation in India? Option A Human Organ Transplantation Act, option B Human Organ Donation Act, option C Transplantation of Human Organ Acts, option D Indian Medical Counseling Act. The answer is option C Transplantation of Human Organs Act THOA. Next, who can give consent for organ donation if the deceased has not pledged during the lifetime? Option A medical officer, option B friends, option C relative or the spouse or the legal heir, option D hospital administrator. The answer is option C relative, spouse or the legal heir, because consent from the next of the kin is required is if prior consent is not available. Next, which organ can be donated even after 6 hours of death? Option A kidney, option B liver, option C eyes, option D heart. The answer is option C eyes, because corneas can be harvested up to 6 to 12 hours after the death. Next, the term cadaveric donors refers to option A living donor, option B animal donor, option C brain dead donor, option D deceased donor. The answer is option D deceased donor. A cadaveric donor is someone who donates organs after the death, is known as the deceased donor. Next, NATO. NOTTO stand for National Organ Transplantation and Tissue Organization. Option B, National Organ and Tissue Transplantation Organization. Option C, National Order of Tissue Transplant Organization. Option D, none of the above. The answer is option B, National Organ and Tissue Transplant Organization. Next, the time duration between brain death and organ harvesting should ideally be option A 1 to 2 hours, option B 4 to 6 hours, option C within 24 hours, option D immediately after the death. The answer is option B 4 to 6 hours. Option B is the correct answer, because to maintain the viability of organs they must be harvested within the 4 to 6 hour post brain death. Next, the first successful human organ transplant was of the option A liver, option B kidney, option C heart, option D lungs. The answer is option B, kidney, because the first successful organ transplant was a kidney transplant in 1954. Next, which of the following is a contraindication for organ donation? Option A hypertension, option B diabetes, option C active malignancy, option D hypothyroidism. The answer is option C, active malignancy, because individuals with active cancer are not suitable for the organ donors. Next, the person legally authorized to declare brain death in India is option A staff nurse, option B Ayurvedic doctor, option C medical board with the neurologist, option D pharmacist. The answer is option C, medical board with the neurologist, because brain death must be confirmed by the panel including a neurologist, neurosurgeon and the physician, not the staff nurse, not the Ayurvedic doctor and not also the pharmacist. So the answer is option C. Next, which part of the eye is transplanted in eye donation? Option A retina, option B cornea, option C iris, option D sclera. The answer is option B, cornea. Only the cornea can transplant or form part of the eye. Next, what is the symbol for organ donation awareness? Option A Red Cross, option B green ribbon, option C white dove, option D blue ribbon. Like that ribbon, blue ribbon is the green ribbon is the symbol for organ donation awareness. Option B is the correct answer. Next, the National Organ Donation Day is observed in India is option A 13 August, option B 27th November, option C 10th October, option D 5 June. The answer is option B 27th November. Next, what is the full form of SOTO? Option A State Organ and Tissue Transplant Organization, option B Special Organ and Tissue Tracking Organization, option C South Organ and Transplant Task Operation, option D State Operating Team for Transplant. The answer is option A, State Organ and Tissue Transplant Organization. Next, who is eligible to donate the eyes? Option A only healthy persons under 60, option B anyone regardless of age or spectacle use, option B Option C, only person without spectacles. Option D, only people below the 40 years. The answer is option B, anyone regardless of age or the spectacle uses. Option B is the correct answer. Next, opt-in system in organ donation means option A, automatic donation unless opted out. Option B, donation requires prior consent. Option C, government controls organ. Option D, donation is only for the family. The answer is option B, donation requires prior consent, because in opt-in systems like India, individuals must give explicit consent to donate. So the answer is option B. Next, what is the role of transplant coordinator? Option A, perform the surgeries. Option B, manage hospital finances. Option C, coordinate between donor family and transplant terms. Option D, act as a block bank staff. The answer is option C, coordinate between donor family and transplant terms. Next, which of the following tissue can be donated after the death? Option A, bone. Option B, skin. Option C, cornea. Option D, all of the above. The answer is option D, all of the above, because after the death, tissue like bone, skin and corneas can be donated. So the answer is option D. Next, in which country is organ donation opt-out presumed consent? Option A, India. Option B, USA. Option C, Spain. Option D, Japan. The answer is option C, Spain. Next, which religion prohibits organ donation? Option A, Islam. Option B, Christianity. Option C, Judaism. Option D, none of the above. The answer is option D, none of the above, because all religion can donate the organ. So the answer is option D. Next, which organization handles organ transport and the distribution in India? Option A, WHO. Option B, NATO. Option C, UNOS. Option D, Red Cross. The answer is option B, NATO, National Organ and Tissue Transplant Organization, maintains a national registry and the coordinates allocation. So the answer is option B. Thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe our video. Thank you everyone.